Hi, today I'm going to be teaching you how to create this olive makeup look with gold shimmer. You're going to start with concealer, cleaning out the eyebrow, and just making sure that everything is nice and neat. First, you're going to start by placing an orange eyeshadow on the crease and taking it a little bit higher than you normally would. The reason for this is that when you put the green, you don't want to cover the orange. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just placing the green eyeshadow on the crease and blending both of them together. Here I'm just putting a gold eyeshadow on my lid and topping it off with some gold glitter. I added black liner that I forgot to record, mascara, and some lashes. Now I'm just going to go in with this Tarte moisturizer and putting it on my beauty blender and just putting it all over my skin. Now I'm going to go in with the Milk Hydro Grip primer and once again just putting it all over my skin. Here I'm just using the Tatcha Silk Canvas to prime and cover my pores. Next step is just to go in with your favorite foundation. I mixed a few and I'm just going to go in and blend it out with the same sponge that I used to put my moisturizer on. Here I'm just going to go in with a light layer of concealer and place a darker shade of foundation wherever I want to bronze a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the same foundation sponge and just blend everything out together. Now I'm going to set my foundation and my concealer with this powder by Revolution in the color Banana. Here I'm just going to set my liquid bronzer with a powder bronzer and add blush. I like a lot of blush, so that's what I'm doing here. Here I'm just adding a gold eyeliner to my waterline and placing the same green shade that I used on my crease on the bottom of my eye. Here I'm just adding mascara to my waterline, and since I did want this look to be a little bit more dramatic, I did add a pop of neon green to the inner tear duct and your look is complete. I hope you guys like it.